Just at Asda in Skem, hunting down Hot Wheels. Let's go in, let's see what they've got. I'll see you in there. Well guys, I thought this hunt was going to be a complete failure because there's just a load of peg warmers and random castings that we see all the time in this tub here. But Asda actually came through with a brand new dump bin that's just over here, guys. Let me show you. Look at that. It's the Hot Wheels Let's Race dump bin that have just recently been appearing in Asda's. And I think this is the reason that they put this out, because they've got the price drop from £1.90 to £1.50. Absolutely fantastic price from Asda now, one of the cheapest in the UK. Fantastic. Keep that price, guys. Keep it at £1.50 Asda, please. But let's jump into this huge bin, and I can see straight away on the top here, we do actually have a treasure hunt. It's the Cardi Asada, which is from the Fast Foodie set. It's a taco, you can see at the bottom here, that's the treasure hunt stamp, the silver stamp on the card. That means that it's a rare find inside of a Hot Wheels case. It's not the super rare, which is called a super treasure hunt, but I like collecting treasure hunts, guys. I think they're pretty cool. Not really one of my favorite treasure hunts, to be honest. It is literally a blue taco on wheels. Not very detailed either, but yeah, cool find. Good to see it's on the top. That might actually mean that no other collectors have been through this bin yet, seeing as this treasure hunt was there. So we can be hopeful there's some good stuff in this bin. Let's pop this down into the basket for now, as it's a treasure hunt, and keep looking. Oh, nice. The 1977 Pontiac Firebird. This is actually the standard version of the Super Treasure Hunt. I would love to see this in a Super. Really awesome casting with the Phoenix on the front there. Little Phoenix decal on the side. Love the colorways. That black, orange and red looks so, so good. Would look great in Spectra Flame paint. A little bit of damage here. Very cool casting. Do like this one. I think I'll pop this to one side. I wouldn't mind having a loose one. Let's keep looking. We've got the 96 Porsche Carrera, which is the Magnus Walker version. You can see his signature on there, his logo on here as well. And it's just a little die-cast version of Magnus Walker's custom Porsche. Very nice. Do have that already. We've got the Rink Racer, which to me is 100% the peg warmer of 2024. We're going to be seeing these around for a very long time, guys, to be honest. Can guarantee it right now. Oh, nice. It's the Chevy Silverado. And I'm so glad I came across this one, because I want to tell you guys that there are two Chevy Silverados in blue in the Then and Now set. And one of them can be a super. It's the 83 Chevy Silverado that you need to look out for being a super. And it feels like Mattel's trying to fool me into getting something wrong here. Thanks to Kristen West for pointing this out in a comment on my last video. I can always rely on you guys to let me know what's going on, eh? Still, cool casting. I've got it already, so I'm gonna leave this here. And let's keep going. Another peg warmer. Let's count how many Rink Racers we can find, guys. Oh, nice. The Shelby Cobra 427, which is from the Rolling Metal set. This is a Zamax set. You can tell there's actually no paint on the die-cast model there. It's just the metal base. And you've got like decals put over that. So yeah, very, very cool. Actually one of my favorite castings, but I've got to find the rest of that set, guys. I've got to find some Zamax stuff. I have this one already. Let's keep looking. Ooh, the Mazda RX-7, but it's got that police livery on there. Japanese word on the side. Does it mean Hot Wheels? I think it does. I'll let you know though, guys, on the screen. It's also got the JNC logo on the side there, which stands for the Japanese nostalgic car community. Definitely check out their website, guys, because you might be interested in some of the stuff they talk about on there. It's a big community full of people that just love JDM stuff. But yeah, absolutely love this casting. Love seeing the old RX-7 style. And it's cool in this black and white paint as well. I think I'll pop this to one side and keep looking. Very cool Volkswagen ID Buzz with a see-through roof on this one. Is this plastic? Yeah. You could probably rip that plastic roof off and turn it into a convertible now I'm thinking about it. That would be actually really, really cool. I think I'm gonna pop this in the basket as well because, yeah, that thought's got me thinking I need to do some customs, guys. What I will say is, guys, there's not much room for you to put castings that you've had a look at when you're going through the bin. So after a few more, I'm probably just gonna have to shuffle things to each side of the bin. Let's keep looking. This is a good one. It's the Bumblebee and it's the Transformers Hot Wheels collaboration. It's the first model from that collaboration if you don't include Optimus Prime on the Red Line Club, which was absolutely fantastic. I should have bought it. I don't know why I didn't buy it. I was looking at it at the time. It's got the Transformers badge on the bonnet there of the Beetle. Very, very cool. I do like this one. Really looking forward to seeing the gold variant of this. But yeah, this one's great for now. I do already have it, and this one's a little bit damaged on the card. So let's keep looking. Pagani Utopia. This is a great model. It was on my list to collect this from the L case. Looks absolutely fantastic, this casting. Do like it, but I think it would look better in a different color, guys. It's not the best paint, to be honest. I'm not a big fan. No shine to it. Quite matte. It's kind of beige. And I hate beige, guys, but I do like the actual casting, so I can't wait to see some other colorways in this thing. Yeah. Let's keep looking. Ooh, the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR, Liberty Walk. Some people are still looking for this thing. I think that it's not as good as the original baby blue version of this, but it is still a good one to find. I do have it though, so let's keep... Ooh, the Bugatti Bolide, absolutely fantastic in this yellow and black. Looks like a jet fighter plane at the back there with those exhausts and diagonal brake lights. I do have this one already, so I'll leave this one here for any of you collectors who want to head out to Skem and pick this up. Skem Asda. Let's keep looking. The 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko. I have to say that this is one of the most beautiful castings out there. That little exhaust on the back and Koenigsegg just written underneath it. But yeah, the shape of this thing, absolutely beautiful. Very nice color in purple. I'd like to see some other colorways though from the Hot Wheels Exotic set. Cool set. But I have this one, so let's keep looking. Oh. Ripped card, guys. Someone has definitely taken this casting. Maybe we'll find it in here loose, but yeah, people do that, guys. People steal all the time. So unfortunately, it is what it is. Yeah. Let's keep looking. Oh man. It's the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento in white with some red accents. It's also got a nice red interior as well. Not a fan of those wheels on this one in particular. I don't think they match very well, but I am liking the casting. Nice little Lamborghini badge on there. And although you've got no decals, it's very detailed on the back with that very cool spoiler. Yeah, I've not seen this out before, so I'm definitely going to be taking this, pop it in the basket. Let's keep looking. Another treasure hunt. The Cardia Sada again. See the stamp on the back? Yeah, very cool. Like I said, guys, if you want this treasure hunt, it's going to be here because I'm not taking all the treasure hunts. I don't need them. So yeah, this will be in this bin. I only collect what I need, guys. Oh, nice. The Mazda 787B. Now this is a good one. It can be found in a super and it looks identical to the real life version of this. This is from the race day set. I do love that set. I am definitely looking for the rest of that set as well. But I do have this. I don't have it in a super. So maybe we'll find that in here, but yeah, very cool to see it. Let's keep looking. We've got another Chevy Silverado. We've got a 90 Acura NSX, a really beautiful one from the 90s set. Check that 90s set out, guys. Very good castings in that thing. Look at the back end on this. Beautiful. Got those great wheels on it as well. Love those wheels. Yeah, and a badge too. Can't go wrong with this casting. It's also got a plastic roof and you can see the engine in the back there. I don't know if you can see because of all the shine on the camera, guys, but looks like the engine is just on show there. Another fully plastic roof that you could just completely whip off if you wanted to customize this thing. But yeah, really, really good casting that. Got it already. Let's keep looking. You can see now, guys, that everything is falling to this side and I've piled everything up on this side. I'll work the other way around in a minute, but let's see if we can get to the bottom on this right-hand side for now. Oh, nice. The 94 Audi Avant RS. There's no doubt about it. This colour is absolutely beautiful. Look at the details on this thing, guys. You've got the badge on the front. You've got the RS logo on there. Not only do you have the headlights, you've got the fog lights on the bottom there. Oh, just so much detail on this thing. I can't not take it. I'm going to have to. Beautiful. Right, we are hitting the bottom of the box here, guys. So it doesn't go all the way down to the floor. It kind of just goes down to about halfway, which is not bad at all. Still very full. I'll shuffle through this and then we'll go to the other side, guys. Oh, nice. It's the Groomobile from the Minions film. Very cool. Yeah, I'll definitely be taking this. I think there might be a premium version of this that I've seen before, or maybe another mainline from a while ago. But this is one of the most unique castings you're ever going to see, isn't it? Look at that thing, guys. Really, really ugly, but so cool to see it from the film. Yeah, definitely going to be taking that. I'll pop it in the basket. And let's keep looking. I love finding things from films, actually. It's very cool. Films, games, music, everything. Nice. The 92 BMW M3 from the 90s set. Oh man, that actually looks really good in person. I didn't think that colour would suit it, but it does really look good, guys. You got the M Sport blue and red stripes on the side there. I gotta say, I do love this era of cars and those like boxy shapes. It's not all about those curvy exotics, you know, guys. Boxy can be sexy too, you know. Really do like this one. Let's pop it down here. Let's keep looking. So we're gonna move everything that I piled on the left-hand side to the right-hand side now. And start to go down this left-hand side. It's so hard to go through dump bins. You don't want to be damaging cards, obviously, for other collectors. Another treasure hunt. Yeah, you've got to somehow wade your way through it, don't you guys? I mean, to get to the bottom ones, so it's all about another treasure hunt. Got to find those gems. Got to find the things that we want for our collection, you know. Right, well, there seems to be a lot of the same castings in here. I think it's like 1 or 2 cases that have just been poured into this thing. So I'll have a little route through, see if I can find anything off camera, and I'll let you know what I find, guys. Yeah, nothing else in there that I need for my collection anyway, guys. So let's have a look at what we did find though. So yeah, definitely look out for these new dump bins in Asda. We found some awesome castings today, guys. If you do like hunting Hot Wheels videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.